Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can program your Revolo electronic keypad deadbolt. So if your lock is brand new, the default master code is usually 1234567 8. So you need to simply use this particular code. You need to enter this particular master code over here. After entering the master code, you need to simply press this particular Revolo button twice. Then when you see the confirmation light, you just have to then press 1. After that, you need to start entering the new master code, which is between 4 to 10 digits. So when you enter the code that you want to set, you just have to simply press the Revolo button, then enter the new code a second time, and then press the Revolo button one more time. Now the lock will flash green in order to confirm that the new master code has been saved. Afterwards, in order to add the new users, what you need to do is you need to simply press double star. Then you just have to again press the master code. After adding the master code, you need to enter hash and then you need to press 2. After doing so, you need to wait for the green light flash. Then you need to enter the new user code and then you need to press hash. Afterwards, you just have to wait for the 2 green light flashes and 2 beeps and then enter the same user code and then wait for the 2 green light and 2 beeps. So that's how basically you will be able to add the new user. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.